New money.
One plummy.
One plummy. I want you
Them plummy sweet till them scratch me not tell no lie. See plummy.
You say get it with salt or you get it with sugar.
My God! See plummy. Plum.
Plummy. New money.
Yo.
New money in the bag.
New money.
Yo, see plummy.
To find them sweet till it's scratch.
If you're diabetic, no buy it.
Go and fry some chicken back.
Yeah, man. Oh, you know. Same thing. The national dish, you know, they want to fry up with ackee.
Oh?
Yeah, they're coming around the national dish. It's a fry up with ackee. Jamaican style, you know.
So ackee.
Yeah, when I feel the saltfish, because saltfish are uptown people thing, you know. Yeah, man, that's what I say.
Jeez, Tommy Hill figure.
Oh, man, that jacuzzi there.
It's Balenciaga. Balenciaga.
Yes.
Edward Siaga. Mr. Edward Siaga.
Chicken back. Yeah, get a national dish. Chicken back. I put more than ackee. Every day. Yeah, we have to get the ackee on the tree. More than the ackee on the tree, we have to drop the chicken back. You see? That's what I say. Uptown people, they can uptown people mix it with saltfish. They don't use chicken back. It's chicken saltfish them use. So you see what I say?
I mean, 14,000 euros worth from E, from Toronto as well. So it's 14,000 from E, from Toronto.
14. Thank you, E. Many blessings to all I'm extended.
Yeah,
That sound like one big boat.
no, small boat and about a couple people like 6, you know, or 5, you know.
Oh, more by here.
Yeah, man, more over there, man. Couple people like 5, you know. Yeah, man, you see?
It's a chicken back and ackee.
Yeah, man.
It's some dumpling.
Jamaican style. Dumpling. Yeah, Jamaican style, you know.
Ackee with
Yeah.
dumpling.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, video with Pop. Okay, let's go.
Yes.
Hello.
You won't sleep, you know.
Colors.
What you doing, Kino?
Looking well colorful.
Yeah, always. I just wake up, you know.
Out the jacuzzi.
Not really from wake up and get some of the heat. And went back, just say I'm gonna tell the rest. If you didn't call me just now, oh my gosh.
Still be sleeping.
Yes, bro.
Jeez, Tommy Hill figure.
Oh man, that jacuzzi there.
It's Balenciaga. Balenciaga.
Yes.
Edward Siaga. Mr. Edward Siaga. Riska Bling. Ice out.
Hey,
Pull up
let
and
me just show you something.
Jeez.
Take a look at this photo here.
That yesterday in the airport.
This young lady here, she was going away, you know.
Oh.
And when she saw me, man, she was saying,
Lone screaming.
oh my.
I said lone screaming.
Yes, man.
Oh, she live in the island.
Yeah, but they bring something from my red cap friend them, so they were inside. So when we go in there, but they and she said, oh my gosh,
Colors.
what's the boss outfit?
Shit, boss, outfit bad man.
Yeah, okay.
Well, you know, so mega try and dress colorful one day. And see how it look.
Oh my gosh. Brother, you have to try.
Yeah, man. Cause you why the breeze where you have that blow upon me now. You see me? So I'm gonna start dressing a color too.
Yeah, man, you can try it.
Yeah.
I'm not.
Yeah, man.
I feature, bro.
Alright. People when they say, I gonna start dressing a color too, you know, I color out like colors. Where's the colors?
Yes, man.
Next time you see me that color shirt, color pants, color shoes, and the color socks.
I used to say
And I got a band glove, so you're gonna see me next in a color.
This young lady, see me sending the picture. They gave me $30, you know.
Wow.
Yeah, see them man. See, and then this, you take a look here.
One more
The
fan.
chocolate there. Yeah, and some more people who see me on your program.
See the picture of them, man. I'm proper celebrity, you know,
Take a look at the jacuzzi bed mattress cover, bro.
But it much where you have on right now.
So tomorrow now we plan for beg some help. Because you know me alone now we can manage. Drop the mattress inside of it.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So when you have on so much colors and the sheet and colors and the house and colors, you don't get color dizzy?
No. Because I'm used to it, you know.
You say your head no spin around like giddy house. No, not a color. Right. You see Ricardino color out.
Yes, and they love this one too. This red and white one anyway with it. Everybody love it.
Yeah, bad man, bad. So you know say never for body them a donation for you.
Yes,
and I see the last time and it slipped my mind. Yeah. So remember this time, so I say I call you out. Because I have $2,000 a year put down for you from Scally. Remember Scally will come in with his son.
Scally
and his wife.
And I twang in there.
Yeah.
And he was saying me speaking better than him when he got there.
Yeah. Scally and his wife Zeke and Mega Plow. Yeah man, $2,000 a year for you.
Yes.
From Scally, Zeke.
Thank you, Mr. Scally and
Zeke.
Zeke. Okay.
And Mega Plow, big up themselves, see me.
And you know, take a look at this flight attendant here. She's beautiful, isn't it?
Say your chocolate?
No, that's a good friend of mine. But the way this lady love me so much, that's why I have her on my phone screen.
Oh, okay, I realize I scream savior.
Yeah, man. She alright. Any outfit that I'm in, whatever time she flew down, and I'm at the airport, and she saw me, she was saying, Juki, because she call me colors, you know. She said, Juki, you know, want some picture, you know? Right now, our album's supposed to full up, right?
Full up.
Yeah, man.
Alright, then, colors. So, I want to give thanks to Scally, Mega Plow, and Zeke for the donation.
Yeah, for the real Scally and
Mega Plow.
Miss Mega Plow. Yes,
Mr. Mega
Plow. Yeah,
Miss
man, we thank you
Zeke.
so much. You get what I'm saying?
Alright,
yeah. You know what? Didn't know the outfit there really slap away, you know?
Slapped it away.
Slapped it away. These are the success what you bring for me, you know?
See there.
So you know me always wear what, two tall one and short one down there.
Slapped it away, man.
Yeah. So it's our next blue outfit me I go wear like right now.
Okay, so it's more slapped it away.
You know, right now I'm planning to give away some clothes to like some people.
Yeah, man. Listen, give me them, bring them downtown. Homeless them on the street.
Alright. Yeah, you guys that tell me, you know.
Yeah, just put them in a bag.
Yes.
And give me so I go downtown, just get them out.
Because we have some new stuff for the summer.
No problem, man. Just hand them over. When we drop them off downtown, we go down and get them. Because the people that say they want some clothes.
Yes,
yeah?
man.
Alright then.
Every day, my car boy, you know, every day.
Oh, no, man.
So I'm gonna take off but these now and jump in something
brand new.
Yeah.
Alright.
You see me?
Materials because right now in a eat way. Come with us. Max, excuse Max. Love for you to secure the gate. Get up now, Max. Max, make sure you secure the gate. Eat way vote.
You could control your dog now. You know you will.
Everybody
Eat way.
I grew up by the band over.
Oh, listen. Mother Teresa.
Aye. Cocoledo.
Maxim C.
Maxim. Alright, you can. James Max. Max. All is well, man. Max the right by the side, yeah, so.
Max, where are you? Just to him low.
James Max, man. Yes, little, so, Miss Joyce, we have donation. We have two donation from Miss Joyce. You know, we can buy some stuff here for her. So, you go visit her recently, right?
Yeah. Because when the last time I come buy fruits and
So we can buy some more things for her.
yeah.
Because she probably wants some one on 90.
Sure, I mean, I forgot buy some ties. They make them really tight. Yeah, they wash. I got a big machine out to do.
Oh, I wash for them. And that's good because we can see improvement for her. She put on a lot of weight, which is great as well too. So
She talks strong.
yeah, much better than before. So we have two donations here for her.
Yeah.
So we have from Unknown from New York. We have 10,000 a year from Unknown from New York. So must buy some stuff from Miss Joyce. You know, because they're gonna need it. So we have 10,000 a year from Unknown from New York.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you, Unknown from New York. Thank you for this, for Miss Joyce. I know the food basket never empty, so I'm gonna get some more stuff for her and try it out there Saturday. God bless you.
And then we also have E from Toronto as well too. $6,000 a year from Joyce from E from Toronto.
Thank you very much, E. And hope your food basket never empty. And glad for everybody. We are looking for Miss Joyce said we. Although she don't on their own way, but we can go and look for her. Thank you very much.
Yeah, so I got now. After we get that now, we can buy some stuff, and then we can go out there and give them another update for now.
Yeah.
We will contact the people them as well because we have 1 and 2 stuff up there bring what they will give them, right?
Pampers and them stuff.
Yeah.
Bed linen.
Yeah, so we go check what we have down there. We could have bring give them. So if I call the lady as well too. So we have donation for you now as well.
Ready.
Yeah, so my donation here for you. You know, which is towards the airport with the material to finish off the project what you're doing here. So far you try to get up so you can buy cement and steel. And you're gonna need more blocks and things, right?
Sand and gravel.
So they have 4,000 a year for you from Unknown as well, from New York. 4,000 a year, Unknown from New York.
Thank you, Unknown. Every little me come up to knock your small it is, you still can do something with it. If I have some sand and some gravel. Thank everybody who helped me so far. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Yeah, man, because them say they didn't give it work as well to helping out Miss Joyce.
Yeah.
And we also have another donation from Julia from Canada. $2,000 a year. And Julia from Canada.
Julia from Canada. Thank you. It go far. And hope your food basket never empty. I hope Father God bless you and your family.
And we have $7,000 from TT from the USA as well to 7,000 from TT USA.
Thank you, TT from the USA. Thank you very much. Everything what I get here, I gonna buy some sand and cement, and you know, see me I go far still. Yeah, I know the time get really hard now, so we just gather every little thing, and when as I say, every little make a muckle, so we can start with little and get big.
Yeah, so we put everything to use. And we have $14,000 a year as well too from E from Toronto as well. There's 14,000 from E from Toronto.
14. Thank you, E. Many blessings to all of my extended family and each and everyone who helped me so far. So I thank everyone all who come on board it. I thank you to see me. May God never make a basket empty. And Father God, if you don't do for me, you can do it for others too. So bless each and everyone.
So we give thanks to the extended family, you know, for Mother Teresa. Thank you so much. And also for reaching out for Miss Joyce. So we give thanks, I will thank you so much. Can the journey continue? So the donation that Mother Teresa gets, now she can put it to use, so she can buy some material, either some cement, some gravel, some sand, but she will definitely put it to use. So we give thanks for it so far. So this is where we at, you know, they can see, you know, work kind of start because, you know, funding wise. So we give thanks so far for what she gets. So as she said, every little make a mucker, so we're definitely reaching somewhere. So thank you all. Dream team, one team.
New money.
One plummy.
One plummy. I want you
Them
sweet.
plummy sweet till them scratch me not tell no lie. Say plummy.
You get it with salt and you get it with sugar.
My God! Supply Plop!
Colombia. New money.
Yo!
New money in the bag.
New money.
Yo, supply me here!
You find them sweet till it's cracked.
If you're diabetic, not buy it.
See your money drop.
First one, January, second laugh. This me I find.
Alright, just say that drop. I'm gonna drop money, drop the right.
Right, yes, cause I know you get it back.
Alright.
Colombia.
I'm bigger than that.
Hold on, no split now.
Maybe yes, just take your time and come.
Yeah.
One plummy.
Selling on this rain, I'm selling on this town.
I'ma sell when the time cool down.
Down. Oh, say plummy. Come with your money.
Who's the plummy? Yes, you be the plummy. Yo!
Who's the plummy?
Plummy! Who's the plummy? Yeah, man. Yo, hold on. See my back. Plum.
And you say plummy, just come with your money. My throat has scratched me. And my jawbone has squeezed me. Yeah. Go and fry some chicken back.
Yeah, man. Oh, you know. Same thing. And the national dish, you know, they want to fry up with ackee.
Oh?
Yeah, I call it the national dish. It's a fry up with ackee. Jamaican style, you know.
So ackee.
Yeah, when I feel the starfish, because starfish are uptown people thing, you know. Yeah, man, you see what I say?
Ackee.
Yeah.
Chicken back.
Straight.
You used to eat it like some younger.
Yeah, man. Only for chicken back there, you know.
So wow, you might chop it up fine. Huh?
Oh, so enough people up on the boat this time, you know. Oh. Less people come just bust them big, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You see me, I say, less people up on the boat. Less people up on the boat.
Yeah.
So we just bust them big.
Yeah.
I say we have more people like us, 6, 7.
Yeah.
Yeah, they've been a mince up, you know.
Oh.
You see them, you know.
But you are less people, you say
less
no.
people, so you want me to say what? Body get a nice. You see me, I say? Less people on the boat, so some I do it, man. See that? Yeah. You know nothing more about them just fry. Look a brown, get them brown, now fry them crisp. Get them brown, see that? That one I get brown, you see it? One I get brown. See them there, them I get brown. See that? Can get brown. The bone, see that? Look on the bone. Look on the bone.
Strictly bone.
Watch the bone. Man, I really love bone, and the woman them love it. Them part, yeah. Yeah, them part of meat, yeah. The bone part, them. They get the ladies, them. Yeah, man, like pattern them people, they, you know, off here, you know. Yeah, you see it fine, and you see me, I say? Yeah, you see it?
First of all,
Yeah, man.
already.
Yeah, and you see it? I'm like calling me a hero now. The hero eat them big part, yeah, you see it? Yeah, banana.
That sound like a one big boat.
No, small boat, and about a couple people like 6, you know, or 5, you know.
Oh, more over here.
Yeah, man, more over there, man. Couple people like 5, you know. Yeah, man, you see it?
It's a chicken back and ackee.
Yeah, man.
With some dumpling.
Jamaican style. Dumpling. Yeah, Jamaican style, you know.
Ackee.
Yeah.
Dumpling.
Ackee and chicken back. And it's really the national dish. It should be the national dish, you know. Chicken back are the national dish, you know. Yeah, cause more
So the up and down.
Yes, up and down, you know. We cook more than ackee.
Yeah.
If I go up on the tree, we get the ackee, then I mount and ackee up on the tree. But for once I got the shop in the tree business, I forget the chicken back. Yes, that thing we cook more than ackee. So they are the national dish that.
So like when you say
chicken
ackee,
back.
like you say ackee have to uptown.
Yeah,
and chicken back have to downtown.
Yeah, man.
So uptown and downtown you cook right now.
Let me get it right, man. So the ackee uptown people thing. Yeah, man. So the ackee there. So the ackee there. So the ackee there. Yeah, man. Uptown people thing. Yeah, man. And they come down here, so now, in the ghetto, this and ghetto national dish. Chicken back. They ghetto national dish. Chicken back. I put more than ackee. Every day. Yeah, we have to get the ackee on the tree. More than the ackee on the tree, we have to drop the chicken back. You see? That's what I say. Uptown people, they can uptown people mix it with saltfish, they don't use chicken back. It's chicken saltfish them use.
So yeah, chicken back.
So I just use my chicken back. Yeah, so I just say what saltfish steak. Get some back. Yeah, there's the ladies them upon the boat, and the ladies them love bone, you know? Yeah, man. Off you love bone, though. No, off it. Alright, that's what I say, off you love bone. So I think, the bone, you know, after the ladies them.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I call the me part, the man them part, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You see him? See that? The man them part, yeah. Yeah, see them get brown, you know? See that? You see it? See them get brown there? I will not fry them down well, Chris, you know, cause
well brown.
yeah, we just a brown them, you know. We don't have to use a brown in pan them now, have to get them brown. You see me? Natural brown, the oil I do it. See that? Yeah, man, them get brown, man. See that? Yeah. See that? And one more shot with an ackee toe on it, and that's you ever see me. Red, gold, and green. Yeah, with my scallion, my onion, my pepper, my thyme. I'm gonna drop a 1 tomato on it too. Yeah. You see me I say? Yeah, man, you see it?
Oh, you mentioned the carrot.
No. The carrot, tell her for this. You can't never get the carrot mildly, you know, mice up.
Yeah.
Get it, you know, only when I put the carrot now, I just grate tight. I just put it on the side like I know harder, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now harder to put carrot on the side, you know? Yeah, so I just do it that way.
Oh, chef.
Yeah, man, see that? Whoa.
Whoa.
Proper, you know?
Hello.
You see me I say?
Radar apparel.
Yo, radar Paris, yo. One general. It's a party, man, you see in Brixton. You hear that? New York twice, you know?
Yeah.
That's the thing there, you know? I'm gonna stop about New York.
You know? Brooklyn.
I kind of make scratch, you know? You hear that? See me I say? Brooklyn, New York, you know? Bronx.
Not once, but
Twice, you know? Two other people can take a big up in the brother.
yeah.
You see me?
So big up everybody.
Well, I want to touch my heart, them you must know say enough love, you know? Twice. Yeah, man. Represent the people and this have to love it, you know? Two heart now, you know?
Yeah. One for the chicken back and one for the ackee.
Yeah, for the
and for the dumpling.
Yeah,
dumpling.
So I don't know, the need chicken back search on the heart, you know, and the need ackee up on the one,
Yeah.
One for vegetable and one for, you see? Yeah, man, I need the dumpling up on the side and the rice. Just
On the
yes, I
side.
say. Yeah, one said, I left for the thing, boom, you know?
Let me
Twice
see.
the thing, you know?
Wow, chef.
Yeah, man.
Only wow, dream team,
One team, you know? One
you
team, dream team, you know? Only for love, man, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh,
Leave up enough from, you know? Fans them out, they leave up all.
too much.
Too much, you know? And when I put on the wall of honor yet.
Yeah.
The wall of honor the Ghana yet, you see? Yeah, man, many names, so you soon get it, man. You soon get everything, man.
Circle to chicken back there.
Oh, yeah, man, soon get this. Wow. She up on the boat, man. She up on the boat. She have gone away, cause all of the boat, them have the ladies, them and the flesh upon them, have the man, them. You hear that?
Yeah, that's
Yeah, man, cause we love the girls, them with flesh upon them body, you know? Yeah, man, you see? Yeah, man, bombing ball, enough love, you know? Holy.
Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.